top 6 most dangerous selfies ever taken. Number 6. Sweaty palm. Kingston hangs off a crane on top of the South Bank Tower in London. Number 5. Spacie. Japanese astronaut Aki Hoshide goes to extreme lengths to take this selfie while visiting the International Space Station. Number 4. Peds. You wouldn't normally think a baseball ground is a dangerous place to be, but American reporter Kelly Nash showed the perils of spectatorship by uploading this selfie while attending a Boston Red Sox batting practice. Number 3. Maverick. A Danish fighter pilot takes a selfie mid-air. Number 2. Look where you're going. We're a little concerned that this pilot doesn't have his eyes on the sky in front of him. Make a wrong turn here and the results could be catastrophic. Number 1. Christ alive. British travel company owner Lee Thompson gets snap happy at the top of the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio, Brazil.